Hi, I'm Travis Hettenbach with LED Source, and today we're going to talk about how to change the fuse in a GE rope light. Now, do you have a rope light that's burnt? Well, obviously you want to change the fuse in it because it's not going to operate if you don't. It's a very simple process. Right on the end of the plug is a fuse box. It's a real simple slide open. You may need a small screwdriver to pop that open, good fingernails or a little screwdriver. Pop the old fuse out. The replacement is usually inside the box with the other fuse. There's usually two of them in there. If not, you may have to go and find another one, but usually the extra one's in there. Pop your new fuse in, use a small screwdriver or something to push it down in, make sure those contacts are making contact. Slide the cover back shut, plug it back in, and that's all there is to it. Now you've got a nice bright rope light again, and since you're using LEDs, you're saving energy on your decorations or on your exterior Christmas lights or whatever you're using. I'm Travis with LED Source, and that's how you do it. Thanks.